Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm a few minutes early. I got to this property, and I don't want to be inconsiderate of the folks that are here. There are occupants, there's tenants. So I'm going to go ahead and actually start the walkthrough now and just give you, it's a quick little run through. It's nothing crazy, but if you guys don't know, we're doing a walkthrough of a property in Venice that we're under contract to purchase. And the exit strategy is going to be to sell this. That detail we can talk about in private if anyone has a question about that, but I'm going to go ahead and do the video walkthrough now with you guys, show you what it looks like. And then we also got one next door, which is a whole other store. It's a bonus. So check this out. All right, this is the entrance. I'm kind of looking in from my left-hand side. What's up, Ashley? What's up, Sharon? How you guys doing, Alicia? This is the entrance to the place here. All right, it's obviously lived in. Kitchen looks pretty nice. All right, see Mr. Beck up top there, my dad. How you doing? This one has got what appears to be granite countertops, nice cabinets, really well kept, good shape, you know. Just to be clear, I am not an agent. I'm not listing this property. I am actually the contract purchaser, and I do intend on closing on the property. So if anyone's wondering those questions, that's what we got. Looking from the kitchen, looking over there, you guys can see. This is about 5 minutes to the beach down here in Venice, Florida. We'll take a right for the first bedroom, which is the largest one that walks out to the backyard. And has the master bath. Okay. Really well kept, you know, not bad, clean. Folks that live here are doing a good job keeping it clean. All right. And by the way, if you guys have questions, feel free to put them in the comments. I may not be able to answer them as we're talking and walking, but I'll get back to them. And I'm going to walk out there another way, so you'll see that in a moment. That's a kind of a glimpse of the backyard. Okay, we're going to go this way. Try not to make you guys get dizzy. Going to go to the next bedroom. First off, nice little bathroom here, powder bath. Actually, a full bath, what am I saying? It's got a full shower there. Usually it's a powder room, but this is actually a full bath. So that's nice, you know. If you have guests over, have family visiting, or want to go to the beach and not have to worry about going to the bedroom, multiple people taking a shower, that's always good. I believe it's a 3-2. Yeah, it's a 3-2. All right. Kind of cool decorations too, actually. All right. The floors are, I think, newly done. These are like hardwood look towel. It does have a little step up there, but the towel is pretty clean. The grout's pretty clean. Some spots are a little dirty, but nothing crazy. And then we got in here a little office slash day bed type, you know, extra room, and window, which is all blinded out. That's okay, and that's sort of a closet, but it doesn't have a door. It just have a little curtain to make it easier. You could do, you know, accordion style doors or a simple regular door. No big deal. All right. Some of you might be wondering what the numbers are. I'm not in a place to disclose that at the moment. If you do have questions, you can feel free to DM me. Some of you DM say Venice, and I'll be happy to share with you the details. We have a whole analysis on this, and we do plan on, you know, taking it and closing on it and actually putting it back on the market after we do some things on the outside, possibly some stuff to make it even better on the inside. But look out the side door here. All right, and side walkway. We're gonna go ahead and actually all to the back. This is pretty impressive, this backyard area. They've got a lot of little spots that they've done different things with. Hopefully my service holds up. I think it's doing okay. Little fire pit area, a little storage shed. Cute little house. Again, very quiet, peaceful. 5 minutes to the beach. Okay. I'm not seeing any comments, and that's okay. So make sure you guys are hearing me okay. Is everybody okay? Look at that tree. I love this tree. It's a cool looking tree. All right, and we're gonna come over here. And I think what I'm gonna do is, after I'm done with this one, I'm gonna go ahead and actually pause the live or go off the live, finish it, and then actually go ahead and do, I'm not sure what this is, but I'll step over it. On the side here, it's our condenser. It looks actually pretty new. Not new, but newer. It's a little rusted on it. No big deal. We got some siding, you know, wood siding here. Some paint maybe that we could touch up, but overall very clean, and ready to have the next person come here and make it what they want. So with that being said, that's it pretty much. In front there's actually a driveway. I'm not going to actually go out there because they're talking right now with the tenants. Again, details you guys I can share with you in private. It's a really awesome opportunity here for us and also for the next person. So go back in the kitchen one more time so you guys can see that. Right. Nice cold air in here. I can feel it. Everything's working right. It smells perfectly fine. No issues. Clean property. All right, so that's it. That's all we got for right now. I'm going to be back in this a little bit. I'm going to do a second one. Hopefully, if my contact here is allowing me to go ahead and actually show property next door, which actually is another opportunity for us potentially, I will be right back. See you guys in a little bit. Remember, if you're interested, DM me the word Venice or comment below. If you have a question, I'll be in touch with you today. See you guys. All right, everybody, we're back. This is property number 2 that we're working a deal on right now with the homeowner. And it's actually more than a home. It's actually a property. It's a piece of land with 7 units on it. And we are about 5 minutes to the beach. It's right next door to the other one we just walked through a second ago. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this. And you guys get an idea. This one's under construction. The numbers are still TBD. And I'm wearing sunglasses because it's about 85 degrees and obviously very sunny out right now. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my camera around. All right. Just kind of... Over here is the Legacy Trail, which just goes right up to... Where does Legacy Trail go up to? Sarasota? Past Sarasota? Huh? It goes past Sarasota, it's Legacy Trail.
Yeah, Legacy Trail, it's this one.
This Legacy Trail starts here and goes all the way up north to Sarasota, basically.
Yeah, you can bike.
Yeah.
You can bike all the way to downtown Sarasota.
Excellent.
All the way.
Okay. All right.
They can look it up online. Legacy
All right,
Trail.
Legacy Trail. So if you guys have any questions on that, plenty of room for cars. And this is under construction. And
this zone is called commercial general.
General commercial. We can go up. Okay.
3 stories.
3 stories. All right, excellent. Do you want to start in this unit, or which one do we go in first? Which one can we go into? Are they all empty?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hey, if you guys have any questions for me, just shoot me a direct message. New flooring. Can I step on this, everything?
Yeah.
Okay. So is this like an efficiency, or what is this considered? A 1-bedroom or?
Small room, yeah.
Okay. Under construction. You gotta remember it's proximity to the beach and just general location. That's like the first car that came by, maybe the second one actually in the past 10 minutes. So. Okay. This is another one?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see, stuff's getting done. Lots of flooring, different stuff. Don't work. Just again to be clear, I don't own this property. My friend owns the property, and he's working on the construction project. It will probably be delivered, finished. Although, if someone's interested in talking about a different kind of deal, again, send me a message, DM me. This is a much bigger unit and higher ceiling too, which is nice. It's a little dark, but that's okay. Thanks, man. It's okay. You're doing fine. It smells clean and new in here. Okay. I'm not sure what he's going to put down on the ground here. Probably crushed shells, or I'm not sure, but it's a lot of open space. And again, it's construction, right? This isn't done yet. So, and if you guys are commenting, feel free to do that. But I just can't see them for some reason today. I'm not sure why it's not showing me the comments, unless you're just being really quiet, and that's okay. This is not part of it. This is separate land, open. Okay. I would say it's a little bit unique, right? But still an opportunity. What are you gonna put down? Crushed shells, you think, or what? Pool. Right here. Oh yeah, okay.
Tiki bar.
Really? You sure?
Tiki bar and the laundry.
Okay. All right, neat.
It's gonna be laundry.
So make it like a little. Is it no HOA or anything like that? Is it?
No.
Okay. Just like a shared pool and a
Yeah.
Look, that's cool.
Did you look at the unit back there?
I did actually. Oh no, I didn't see the back one.
So all this.
Yeah, let's go over here.
All
Sorry.
this is gonna be laundry.
Laundry. Like in a building, or how do you?
Yeah, building the laundry.
Okay.
With the washer and dryer and utilities, like different type of. We can have a bicycle rentals. A kayak rental.
Yeah, because we're 5 minutes to the beach. That's very important. I keep on saying that, but I don't know if people are hearing me. Hope you guys are. Okay. I'm going to take a look at this. What's up, Phil? Do you have a survey for the property he would like to know? You have a survey or no?
We never did it because it's not a mandatory.
Not mandatory, okay. And this is a little closet, okay. Do you plan to sell it or rent it? You're not sure yet. Sell or rent, you don't know?
Yeah,
Depends? Okay.
So,
Okay. Guys, you can see it's like clean, it's white, light and bright, nice floor. Even though it's still under construction. That's 3 or 4
and
units.
this is Venice County.
Venice County owns
City
this,
Park.
so you won't be
Nobody will
nothing,
build.
empty,
Empty.
so quiet.
Yeah.
Can you put the fence down here, or you don't want to? I
Yes,
guess.
the fence goes from here, crossing this farm to all the way there.
So the land from this is inclusive right here.
No.
Okay. Oh, straight down. I got you. Okay. All right, let's go this way. You guys are getting some bonus today because we did that one next door, and now we're looking at this one. So it's a lucky day. Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Right here sweating in Sarasota. Well, actually Venice. Basically Sarasota if you're up in New Jersey or New York. Okay. If you guys are interested in talking about either one of these opportunities, you know, let me know. And if you're interested in other things, let's have a conversation. We're getting deals like this regularly down this way, thanks to people like my friend here. And we are ready to talk more about collaboration if you're interested. The other building, don't worry about it. It's the work, the guy's working on it. Is this one no good? No, right now?
Pardon me?
Not right now, this one? Can I go in there or no? Same thing. Same thing.
I mean,
Just
they're
quick.
working.
That's okay. I don't put. That's okay. They're working. So just so you guys see, what is it? 3, 4 units on this side, and then another 3 over there.
There are 7 units.
Okay.
2 of them are 2-2. The rest are all 1-1.
Okay. So they like to see construction. That's what everybody likes. They want to know what's going on. The work is getting done. This is what it kind of looked like before, you know, and the other ones probably, and this one is getting work done. All right. So that's kind of what it looks like. I had to ask him about like B&B. Someone might be thinking about that. You know, doing a short term. I don't know how short of a term we could do, but
I'll go one.
how short term can the rentals be if there's a rental?
Yeah, you can do vacation rental. Yeah.
Vacation rental, maybe like
Mostly also professional for
professionals,
medical field only.
like midterm or like month or 2 months at a time. 3
Usually
months,
they do 6 months.
6 months contract.
They pay everything up front.
Right. Yeah, I mean, how about that? Living, you know, working remotely 5 minutes away from the beach and having
the
newly
hospital is
renovated,
right here.
and the hospital's nearby. So like, you can't really beat that. And then you're gonna have a pool here, and plenty of parking. And this is another one in there. You guys can see. I'm not seeing any questions, everybody. You're being really quiet. That's okay. All right, he's got to get to another appointment, so I'm gonna thank you guys for being here. And let's see if I can flip this around. Appreciate you guys coming on live, and looking forward to talking with everyone who's interested and somehow collaborating with us. Feel free to shoot me a DM with the word Venice, and we'll talk real soon. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Be safe and have fun. I'll talk to you guys real soon. God bless you all.